Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you have a pleater? No, right? Then do you at least have a smocking transfer dots? No. Are you using a simple ruler instead? Let me show you a simple method that I tried. It's easy, cheap and time saving. Select a cross stitch fabric. This one is less in thickness. We'll see this one. This one is also very thin. This one is quite heavy and thick too, and also very beautiful, and it's in a proper order. First we'll iron this. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now cut the fabric according to your measurements. Cross stitch fabric is also longer, so we'll cut this also in that way. We'll keep the fabric top of it and pin it properly. Now it's easy for us to start this task. Now you have to keep dots only on areas which you need. For this purpose, you can take your pencil and sharpen it properly. Let's try it on a cotton fabric. And I hope to see you soon in my new one. So remember to subscribe.